even take a smoke break on this motherfucker. Shit. Try to take me a little smoke break. You can't even smoke on this bitch. Give me some of this. How you telling me to put them bitches on? Let me put them bitches on. That's it? Hey, how the fuck you do stuff, nigga? Bitch. Yeah, pussy ass nigga better not never. Damn, what's this? Oh yeah, I need some of that in my life right there. That bitch gonna do that.
Enemy soldier incoming. Your squad mate's back on station.